Hello everyone, welcome back to the HSC Coach. In today's video, we are going to discuss an important topic for safety professionals working in the oil and gas industry. We will talk about the roles, duties and responsibilities of a safety officer in the oil and gas industry. This video will help you understand what a safety officer actually does on site, especially if you are preparing for safety officer interviews, NEBOSH exam or planning to work in oil and gas projects. So make sure you watch the video until the end. First, we discussed what is the role of a safety officer in oil and gas industry. The oil and gas industry is considered one of the most hazardous industry in the world. Activities such as drilling operations, refinery processes, pipeline installations and storage of flammable materials involve significant risks. Because of these hazards, safety management becomes extremely important. The main role of a safety officer is to ensure that all work activities are performed safely and in compliance with company safety procedures. A safety officer works to create a safe working environment and prevent accidents before they occur. The key responsibilities of the role include identifying workplace hazards, implementing safety control measures, ensuring workers follow safety procedures, monitoring safety practices on site, promoting safety awareness among employees. The ultimate objective is to prevent injuries, incidents, fires and environmental damage. Now let's talk about the duties of safety officer in the oil and gas industry. Safety officer performs several important duties to maintain workplace safety. The first one is conducting safety inspections. One of the primary duties of a safety officer is to conducting regular safety inspections. These inspections help identify unsafe acts and unsafe conditions before they lead to accidents. Inspections areas usually include work at height activities, confined space entry, hot work operations, lifting operations, electrical installations. If any unsafe conditions is identified, the safety officer must take immediate corrective action. Now the second duty is hazard identification and risk assessment. Before any job begins, it is important to identify potential hazards. Safety officer performs risk assessment using methods such as HIRA, means hazard identification and risk assessment. The second one is JSA, that is job safety analysis, and third one is TBRA, means task based risk assessment. These assessments help control risks before the work activity begins. The third duty is monitoring the permit to work system. In the oil and gas industry, high risk activities require a permit to work system. The safety officer ensures that permits are properly issued and that all safety precautions are followed. Common permits include hot work permit, confined space entry permit, work at height permit, electrical isolation permit, excavation permit. No work should start without proper permit authorizations. Now the next duty is conducting toolbox talk. Toolbox talk are short safety meetings conducted before starting work. During these meetings, the safety officer explains the job to be performed, potential hazards associated with the job, require personal protective equipment, safe work procedures. TBT help improve safety awareness among workers. Another important responsibility is ensuring that workers use proper personal protective equipment. Common PPE used in oil and gas projects include safety helmets, flame resistant clothing, safety glasses, safety gloves, safety shoes, respiratory protections. Proper PPE usage significantly reduces the risk of injuries. And the next duty is incident investigations. If an accident or near miss occurs, the safety officer conducts an investigation. The purpose of the investigation is to identify the root cause of the incident. The investigation process usually includes collecting evidence, interviewing witnesses, analyzing incident causes, recommending corrective actions. This helps prevent similar incidents from happening again. Now let's talk about the daily responsibilities of a safety officer. A safety officer performs several routine activities every day to ensure safe operations. Daily responsibilities may include conducting daily site safety inspections, monitoring ongoing work activities, checking PPE compliance, conducting toolbox talk, verifying permits before work starts, identifying unsafe act and unsafe conditions, ensuring proper housekeeping on site, checking barricades and warning signs, monitoring work at height and lifting activities, checking fire extinguishers and emergency equipment. These daily activities help maintain continuous safety monitoring on site. Now let's talk about the weekly responsibilities of a safety officer. Weekly responsibilities usually focus on reviewing safety performance and improving safety practices. Typically, weekly tasks include conducting detailed safety inspections, organizing weekly safety meetings, review the safety observations reports, conducting safety training sessions, inspecting scaffolding and lifting equipment, reviewing incident and near miss reports, checking emergency response equipment, reviewing risk assessment and safety procedures. These activities help strengthen the safety management system. Now let's talk about the monthly responsibilities of safety officers. Monthly responsibilities are generally related to safety performance review and management reporting. Monthly duties may include conducting safety audits, preparing monthly safety reports, analyzing accident statistics, organizing emergency drill, inspecting fire protection systems, reviewing safety training records, conducting safety committee meetings, and evaluate overall safety performance of the project. These monthly reviews help management understand safety trends and improve workplace safety. So, in this video, we discussed the roles, duties and responsibilities of a safety officer in the oil and gas industry, including daily, weekly and monthly tasks. Understanding these responsibilities is very important for anyone working as a safety professional in high risk industries. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the HSE Coach and share this video with other safety professionals. Thank you for watching and stay safe.